Hey guys, today's trading recap is for June 10, 2021. Today's going to be a quick recap because, of course, I forgot to hit the record button for the live trades again. And today was a really bad day, and I won't go through all the trades because there's just so many. I took 10 trades, and that's overtrading for me with about almost a $2,200 loser on the day, which hit me pretty hard. And it kind of messed up my day because it was my second day trading after taking almost a 2 week break, and I'm still kind of out of the groove of things. I'm waking up a little later, feeling a little lazy, unmotivated. So I'm gonna try and maybe try and kind of get back into the groove of things and work on my mental health and all that stuff. But working on the trades, let's go over what I have. Home Depot took a really big loss. It kept trending up after checking my A plus setup, which is the trendline breakdown. I failed to cut my losses really quick because I was being too hopeful, so I took a $442 loss after a spike up, and these are, I believe these are all put contracts except for one on Tesla. So one of them is a call contract, and my biggest loser was on Amazon. I actually had the opportunity to pretty much break even on the stock after almost $1,500 down for the first time. And then I was like, okay, well, now that I'm break even, I figured that this stock can head even lower, but of course not. Right when I broke even, it went back to being negative, and next thing you know, I started being in the big negatives, down $1,600 just on Amazon. So I was up about $300 on the day, and now I ended the day with 2,100 or just almost $2,200 loss, and that really kind of just messed up my day. So now tomorrow, um, I feel like being a little bit more dangerous and taking in a little bit more size to kind of work with and maybe kind of grow my account back up, because now it is a little bit down and I'm not liking the look of the chart on my account at all. But you can see that there was some winners today that I had, but most of them are really big losers, like this Tesla. And for this Tesla, I was actually up a lot before I started trading more of these contracts. And I don't know, for Facebook, I failed to cut my losses here because Facebook wasn't exactly the perfect play, because even though it did break out of my trend line, it failed to fall even lower because the market just kept trending up slowly throughout the entire day, and that's Facebook just kind of followed along with it. And even though I saw the clear uptrend, I kept hoping for Facebook to make a flag down, and that's when I decided to just cut my losses. But everything else, I mean, I took my setup, my A plus setup, which seems like it's not working out that well this month. So I might look to take profits a lot more faster than I did in May, because in May I really wrote out a lot of my trades for maybe about 5, 10, or even 20 minutes. Some trades I even held for about an hour before I even saw like a $500 or $700 gain. So now, since June is not working out that well for this strategy, I might have to switch things up and start taking some other trades. You can see I even tried taking bull flags, which really didn't work because the momentum was there, but it just kind of failed to break through that, the bull flags. So that's some strategy that I really try to utilize too, besides the trendline breakdown, because sometimes the trendline breakdowns to me are also bear flags. So I'm trying to incorporate some bull flags into my strategy as well and try to switch things up. So as you know, and as I'm sure you've heard, you always, kind of have to adapt with the market. So May probably was a good time to do all these trendline breakdowns, which was a good month for shorting. So now June, it looks like things are moving on up. So maybe I might need to switch and play the call side, because the last time I played calls, it was working out, and the last week that I traded in May, it really wasn't working out as well either for puts. So now for June, I might have to switch things up, play around with it, maybe size down. But now I'm kind of in the big red for the month, so I'm hoping to get back in the green. And if you guys don't know, I'm looking to shoot for about $10,000 to $15,000 per month, which was a pretty close call on May. So let's see where June goes. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. I'm really trying to get my videos pushed out, but like I said, after taking a 2-week break of no trading and mainly just working on my other business, which is web design and development, I've just been a little bit unmotivated with trying to make time for YouTube and researching more on trading. But let's see where this month goes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. I'll see you guys tomorrow.